Hey everyone, this is Aaron at LockNLube. We're here today to introduce our new Milwaukee M18 Cordless Tire Inflator Kit. The kit includes the Milwaukee M18 Inflator, one of the best cordless inflators on the market, with our LockNFlate Open Air Chuck and our custom machined adapter to easily connect the air chuck to any pump inflator with a female Schrader valve connector or the screw-on type connector such as this. Put it all together and it's a portable, powerful, ready-to-go inflator setup. Let's look at some of the features of the M18 Cordless Inflator. The device is rated to 150 PSI and it's optimized for light trucks, passenger cars, SUVs, and other medium-duty tired vehicles. It also includes an auto pressure check system, so the machine will wait for the pressure to stabilize, then check the system, and then top off the tire until it's at the exact pressure you need. No underinflation, no overinflation. Lock on the air chuck, set it, forget it, hands-free, and no hassle. The unit has 4 memory slots for different pressures. You can display the pressure in PSI, bar, or kPa at the push of a button. There's also a manual activation button. That's handy for using the included nozzle adapter, needle adapter, and press the valve, all of which can snap on straight into the LockNFlate Air Chuck. When you're storing the unit, the 36-inch hose wraps right up around this assembly. This is the Milwaukee M18 Cordless Tire Inflator Kit. Thanks for watching. For more information, go to LockNLube.com.